What keeps a warm space safe when the heat comes from gas? The answer is careful installation, checked step by step for safety, quality, and proper function. A structured checklist, supported by eAuditor Audits and Inspections, helps technicians work with confidence and reduce errors. A gas heating installation checklist is a step-by-step tool used to verify that a system is installed correctly and safely. It guides technicians through system setup, gas supply and pressure, ventilation and flue checks, and safety and compliance tasks. That structure keeps the work organized from start to finish. Gas systems require strict safety controls because small mistakes can create serious risks. A checklist helps ensure safe operation by reducing the chance of gas leaks and other hazards. It also supports regulatory compliance and improves consistency by cutting rework, delays, and unreliable results. The checklist begins with site preparation, where technicians verify enough space, proper ventilation, and access for maintenance. Next comes gas supply and connections, including correct pipe sizing, secure fittings, and required pressure levels. Appliance installation then checks positioning, mounting, and alignment against manufacturer guidelines. After the appliance is in place, ventilation and flue checks confirm that flues are installed correctly and exhaust gases discharge safely. Safety controls and testing then cover leak detection, pressure controls, and shutdown features. The process ends with final inspection and documentation, including installation details, test results, and compliance confirmation. Common issues include loose connections that can lead to gas leaks, incorrect pressure levels that affect safety and performance, and poor ventilation setups that allow harmful exhaust gases to build indoors. Structured checklists help catch problems early. Incomplete testing and missing documentation also create risks for operation, compliance, and future maintenance. eAuditor Audits and Inspections turns manual checking into a digital workflow. Teams can use customizable mobile templates, record data instantly, attach photo evidence, generate automated reports, store records in the cloud, and track corrective actions until resolved. It reduces paperwork, improves accuracy, supports compliance tracking, and helps teams make faster decisions. Safe gas heating installation depends on a clear process, careful testing, and complete documentation. A structured checklist covers each critical stage, from preparation through final inspection, while digital tools make the work more consistent and efficient. That is how you support safe, compliant, and reliable system installation.